Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing method that will have you designing logos in just 1 minute. Yep, you heard that right. It's all about leveraging the power of two free AI tools that will revolutionize the way you approach logo design. Let's jump straight into it. The first tool we'll be using is Gravity Write, a powerhouse of an AI tool that's a game changer for any business owner looking to save time and boost productivity. After navigating to the site, we'll click on Image Prompts and select Logo Design Ideas to begin our logo creation journey. All you have to do is enter your business name and provide a brief description of what your business is all about. Now, let's ask our trusty friend, ChatGPT,
I am inevitable.
to conjure up a random business for us to use in this demonstration. Perfect. With the business name and description in hand, we'll swiftly input them into Gravity Write. Next up, we'll move over to Microsoft Image Generator powered by Dale AE3, which is typically a paid tool, but here we're lucky enough to use it for free. We'll copy the prompts generated by Gravity Write and eagerly await the results. Behold, the logos have come to life. Let's try out a couple more prompts just to showcase the speed and efficiency of this process. Remember, while this method is incredibly fast, it's essential to spend some time refining the prompts and playing around with Gravity Write to truly capture the essence of your brand. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget, we are living in the golden age.